Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ, and today I'm going to show you how you can install Microsoft Digital Image 2006 on a 64-bit version of Windows. So here I am on Windows 11, and if we just try to run the install disk, so you can either double click on it or you can open the disk up and then run the setup.exe file. So if we now just run the setup and we try to go through the wizard, I will just change it to full installation. You can leave it on typical if you want, and then we will tell it to try to install. So now it's going to try to install the software. However, it's going to run into a problem of trying to install Internet Explorer, which we won't be able to get installed given how old it is. So we will be getting the installer to carry on without getting Internet Explorer 6.0 installed. So for the parts of the software that integrate with that won't work, but everything else should hopefully work for you. So as you can see, a warning has appeared in the taskbar, so if we click on it, as you can see, it's upset that Internet Explorer and Internet Tools couldn't be installed. But for now, we can just click OK, and it will now try to carry on. Now this is the major warning box that is difficult to get around. That is again trying to install Internet Explorer 6, but we cannot given how old the software is. So to bypass this requirement, all you need to do is come to your start and then sign out of your account. So if we click sign out, that will then try to kill all the background processes, which in this case is useful for then getting around this requirement. So after being on this screen for a few seconds, if you then just click cancel, and then you come back to your installer, and now instead of clicking OK, if you just cross off the window here, it should now try to carry on with the installation like so, and it may take a while, but it then should hopefully install for you. Right, so now the installer has closed itself. If we now come and look and see if it has installed, as you can see the software is there, and if we try to open it up and we accept the license agreement, as you can see it successfully launches. So guys, hopefully that worked for you. If you liked the video, don't forget the like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.